Hey everybody, I've just learned of a local attorney abuse situation and I feel everyone needs to know, and it relates to trusts. I'm 𝗲𝗲𝘀𝗲𝘀 of 𝗵𝟾 Law. We're an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey, and we provide peace of mind to families every day through our high client value services. If you are seeking assistance in estate planning or administration, such as probate, we can assist here in New York and New Jersey. You can reach out to us for a free consultation at yourplanningattorney.com. And speaking of value, we are here always trying to educate everyone. So please do us a favor, share, and ask questions. So hopefully we can help some folks along the way. So I want to forewarn anybody who has an asset protection trust for their home, an irrevocable asset protection for their home, where they have to designate someone else as the trustee. If for some reason your attorney, CPA, financial advisor became that trustee of your home, you need to be forewarned. That individual may seek trustee commissions for the entire period of time in which your property was under that trust after your passing from your family, and control the sale, meaning the proceeds of the home, to take those commissions. You heard that right. It doesn't mean they have the right to all of those commissions, but I recently have discovered that some believe they do have a right to that. If you're in a state where you have a life interest in that home under your asset protection trust, which is common, you are responsible for the taxes, the maintenance, upkeep, and basically still manage the home. That trustee has no right to commissions through the time of your passing. Rest assured, they are going to ask for commissions and be the person in charge when it comes to the sale, especially if they've drafted it in such a way where it's difficult to remove them as trustee. I would review your document, possibly with a separate counsel, if any of your professional team is the trustee of your irrevocable trust. I never put myself in that role. I don't agree with it. I work hard with clients to find trusted parties among family, friends, or maybe even a corporate trustee. I don't think a single person of a professional nature should necessarily be in that position. Especially if the documentation is drafted in such a way where it's hard to remove them. And this was such the case. So please, if you have an irrevocable trust owning your home and a professional is designated as your trustee, please review that document with a comparable attorney in that field to see what they have to say relative to that ownership, and perhaps even asking the attorney to sign off on a waiver that they're not going to ask for commissions on anything until after you're gone. Should the family choose to work with them, well, they can work with a different attorney and have them still as a trustee of the home, because they don't need to take any of those commissions during the time where the house is just still your house during your life estate, okay, during your lifetime. And that could be a lot of money that's moving to the hands of that professional rather than your family members. And you won't know because you won't be there. And perhaps they won't know the wiser if this individual is guiding them down that path. So I hate to say it, but there's a lot of good people out there, but there's still some bad people in all walks of life. So you just have to be wary, take a closer look, have a second opinion, review it, and if necessary, make some shifts. All right, I hope you've learned something new here today. Again, if you have any questions, we are here in New York and New Jersey providing services in estate planning and probate administration to help folks out every day. Thank you so much. Please share and take care.